This tutorial is on how to make suggestions on Google Documents. So this link to this document was provided to all the managers. It's the board meeting document links, and all the managers were supposed to go to their department links and read through them and edit and suggest based on their comments and feedbacks to these links. But Cheryl wants us to make our edits as suggestions first, and then those suggestions will be revised and then made as part of the document. So I have this first one already open right here. And as you can see, when you first enter a document, you're in editing mode. We don't want that. We want suggesting mode, so edits become suggestions. So click that right there. And now if I, for example, type something right here, it's a suggestion. It's not part of the document. Instead, someone has to go through and approve these or make comments to them. So make sure that when you look through these and you want to make comments, make them as suggestions.